Okay. Okay. Yay! Hi everyone, this is your Tito Mac of TechPinas, and in this new video, I'm going to give you my reasons why I highly recommend the TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2. Let's talk about it. To be specific, I recommend the TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2 to everyone who's thinking about purchasing or upgrading to a foldable smartphone but aren't quite ready to spend more than 50,000 pesos on a new handset. Okay? Let's go! Before I give you my reasons for highly recommending this feature-packed foldable smartphone, join me in my quick unboxing of the TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2, and together let's check out all the contents of the official retail package, which is now available here in the Philippines. Alright, so just relax and watch this quick video. Here we have the handset unit itself. Next, we have this safety information card. So opening this box, we have the hard plastic protective case. So this is the user manual. Okay, so we have the other part of the protective case here. Next, we have the warranty card. I think this is a voucher card. Next, we have the metal pin for ejecting the SIM card tray. Here we have the USB Type-C charging cable. And finally, we have the TECNO 70 watts fast charger. Alright, so these are all the contents of the official retail package. And I think we can now check out how the phone looks and also set it up. Alright, looks great. Again, this is the TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2. It's a premium folding smartphone with a fairly accessible price, and it's now available here in the Philippines. So check out how it closes flush. So sleek. First, let's remove the sticker at the back. Nice, very sleek, guys. Okay, so I think we can now set it up for the first time. So just long press on the power button and let's go through this procedure. Okay. So let's even add our fingerprint here. And okay. Alright, so we're finally inside. And this is the interface. This is iOS, or TECNO's own user interface for the Android operating system. Okay, so these are the specs. And this is TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2. Alright. Here are some pre-installed apps and games for the cover screen of this foldable smartphone. And now let's jump to my reasons why I recommend the TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2. Reason number one would have to be the competitive price point of the TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2. So this one comes with an official suggested retail price of 34,999, and it even had the special first sale price of only 27,999. Considering that this is a foldable smartphone and it has great technical specifications, I think it offers great value given its SRP. Reason number two, obviously, is its cool folding design. It's sleek, compact, and it even has a steel hinge, ensuring durability for long-term use. As a folding phone, what's great about it is that it doesn't leave any gap when you fold it, and I think that's a real treat given the price of this model. This folding design isn't just pure aesthetic, it actually has a purpose, because you can use this to enable cool shooting modes like the free cam mode or the camcorder mode. Reason number three is the large 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED folding display. Apart from delivering crisp and clear details and vibrant colors, it also features 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring ultra-smooth screen transitions and enabling high frame rate gaming. It also comes with 2160Hz PWM dimming technology, so it's eye-friendly or easy on the eyes for extended use. Reason number 4 is the large cover screen. So this one is a 3.64-inch pull-through cover screen with a stunning infinity pool inspired design, as you can see here. So this one supports over 2,000 applications, mini games, and customization options. So it even has features like digital pets and graffiti design. So let's try playing one game here. One of my favorites here is this one, jump up. Okay, let me try that again. So let me show you how it works. So just long press. Oops, I overshot that one. One more. Okay, ready? Okay. So obviously this is great for passing time, and you won't have to open the phone and play it on the large screen. You can just play this game on the cover screen. Let's try it again. Hopefully I do better this time. Again. This is really fun if you're just waiting for one more. I refuse to give up. Okay. So the longer you press, the longer the jump will be. Okay. Okay. Yay! I'll stop there. Reason number 5 would have to be the flagship level camera system. So this one has dual 50 megapixel cameras at the back. This is 50 megapixel main camera and 50 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. And inside, it has a 32 megapixel front facing camera. So one of my favorite features of the TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2 is that you can use the front screen for vlogging using the main camera itself. So the main camera is the most powerful camera of this phone, and dahil dito sa screen na to, you can use it for vlogging. Ayan, so let's try it. So click lang natin yung camera. Ayan, di ba may camera dito sa camera app here. So just click it. Ayan, and so the screen in front on the cover will act like a viewfinder for vlogging. So perfect siya. Ayan, so you can use it for vlogging. Ayan. Even pa-horizontal. Diba? Pa-horizontal. So I can put my mouth. Hi, man.
Hi.
Hello. So we're now here at SM North EDSA. We just watched a movie. Ano movie?
Lion King.
Lion King, Mufasa, the Lion King. So yan guys. And this is for vlogging. Bye! See you! Kaway!
Bye.
See you!
See you.
Alright. Hi, man!
Hi.
Hello! So we're now here at SM North EDSA. We just watched a movie. Ano movie?
Lion King.
Lion King, Mufasa, the Lion King. So yan guys. You can use it for vlogging. Bye! See you! Kaway!
Bye.
See you!
See you.
Alright. You can also use the cover screen as a viewfinder for taking selfies using the main camera mismo. So not the selfie cam, but the main camera. Ayan, so we'll try it. Let's try it. One. So you can even view it. So that's how it looks. Ganda, diba guys? So ayan. But it's one of my favorite features of the TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2. The cover screen that can work as a viewfinder for the main camera. Diba man? Ganda. Alright. TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2 also has several cool shooting modes like this one. Alright, and it also has, I think they call this the camcorder mode because it reminds you of that camcorder, the camcorder setup back in the 90s. But what I like is this one because you can, remember this phone has a cover screen, so you can actually use the cover screen, there you go, as a viewfinder for taking photos of yourself or even goofies using the main camera at the back, which is the best camera of this phone. So let's try that out. And look guys, in this mode you can even use the flash. There you go. You see that? Nice, right? Just some of the cool shooting modes of the TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2. Here are some sample photos and videos that I took and recorded using the TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2 premium foldable smartphone. Just take note of the labels that I placed on each shot and clip. Okay, so just relax and enjoy the shots. Hi everyone, so this is a sample video recorded using the front-facing camera of the TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2, and this one has bokeh effect. Hi! That's how it looks. Oh, Jalen, video tayo dito, dali! Jalen, say hi to them. Hello! Hello! Okay, yeah, so that's how it looks guys. Thumbs up! And what's cool about the TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2 is that it supports video recording with support for external audio. So for this, I'm recording my voice with the DJI Mic Mini. Okay, so this gives you better sound quality when you are vlogging, which is great for content creators. All right, nice. So we're recording this using the main camera at the back with cover screen viewfinder too. And then, it's may bokeh effects. See.
Hey, go!
Yay! Mufasa! Say Mufasa! Mufasa! Bakit nagiging lion ka, Jalen? Okay na? Ayan na siya. Okay, for my family. Alright, thank you. Pwede pong humingi ng candle?
Yes sir, blue na lang.
Blue na lang po. Thank you. Ayan na. Alright, thank you. Hey,
Blue candle.
up blue candle. Alright, thank you.
Regular brown.
Ayan na. Thank you.
Sir, see you again.
Thank you. Hey. Reason number 6 would have to be the AI-powered features of the TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2. And this is the Gemini integrated Ella AI assistant with over 400 system functions. So let's just go there. This is Ella. Under settings, go to Ella, get to know Ella. There you go. And it says here, Ella AI Assistant has over 400 system functions. So it has AI text summary, AI writing, and AI artboard for creativity and convenience. So you can just try all of that here under the settings of the TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2. There are other AI features, for example, the Magic AI Eraser and the one-click cutout, which simplify photo editing. Here's a demo of AI Eraser. So just pick the photo, then tap on Edit, and then this button. Then pick AI Eraser. Then just choose the brush size and just paint over the object that you want to erase. And there you have it. So easy, right? And then finally, we can just save the edited image. Number 7 would have to be the powerful battery and fast charging features of the TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2. So this folding smartphone has a large 4,720 milliamp hours super battery for all-day use. And it also supports 70 watts ultra charge, providing 50% charge in just 15 minutes and full charge in 45 minutes. So if you're always on the go, you can definitely rely on the battery and charging features of the TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2 to always keep you connected and ready to shoot content anytime, anywhere. And finally, number 8 would have to be the overall cool, tech-savvy aura that the TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2 gives the user. Obviously, if you own a smartphone like this, it will give the impression that you know what you're talking about in terms of tech, and you're always at the forefront of the latest in mobile innovation. So if you want to have that aura, or if you want to be known as that person, you should definitely check out the TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2. I highly recommend it, especially when you think about the price versus the prices of its main competitors in the market. Oh, and I also want to add that TECNO offers flexible payment options for the TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2. Just inquire about these offers as well as other freebies at the TECNO store near you. So there you have it, guys. Again, this is your Tito Mac of TechPinas. If you have any questions about the TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2, just leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye for now. I'll see you more in 2025. And don't forget to flip into the future with TECNO PHANTOM V Flip 2.